Many people aspire to live long, fulfilling lives while maintaining excellent health and avoiding chronic diseases. But what if I told you that there are actually places on our planet where people naturally live longer and healthier lives? These populations seem to have found the secret to living better for longer, making them our planet's healthiest cultures. So today, we're going to explore the top 5 countries with the lowest rates of chronic diseases and the highest life expectancies. We'll also try to figure out how they do it. But before we continue, please take some time to subscribe. But first, let's talk about the problem. Chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and dementia affect millions of people worldwide, leading to poor quality of life and decreased life expectancy. These conditions are often linked to unhealthy lifestyles, including poor diet, lack of physical activity, smoking, and excessive alcohol consumption. As people grow older, the risk of developing chronic diseases increases, and this becomes one of the leading causes of death and disability globally. However, despite these challenges, some countries have managed to buck the trend and achieve exceptionally low rates of chronic diseases. So what are these countries doing right? What can we learn from them? The term Blue Zone was coined by researchers who discovered 5 distinct areas around the world where people routinely live measurably longer, happier lives. These 5 areas are Okinawa, Japan; Ikaria, Greece; Ogliastra, Sardinia, Italy; the Nicoya Peninsula in Costa Rica; and Loma Linda, California. The common thread among these diverse cultures is their lifestyle rather than any single magic bullet. That's the key. It's not just about genetics. People in these areas have found ways to live healthier lives for longer, and we can learn from them. Let's dive into each blue zone and discover what makes them so special. We'll begin with Okinawa, Japan. Okinawa is a small chain of islands that has the highest concentration of centenarians in the world. The Okinawans have a life expectancy of 85 years, 20 years longer than the average Japanese person. Okinawans eat mostly plant-based food, and traditional Okinawan cuisine is rich in vegetables, fruits, soy products, and seafood. They generally avoid red meat and processed foods. They also tend to eat less, practicing a concept called hara hachi bu, which means to stop eating when you're 80% full. This helps them maintain a healthy weight and reduces the risk of obesity-related diseases. Additionally, Okinawans stay active throughout their lives, engaging in regular physical activity, including gardening, housework, and walking. They have a strong sense of community and social support, which contributes to their longevity and well-being. Next, we move on to Ikaria, Greece. Ikaria is a small Greek island located in the Aegean Sea. It is known for its relaxed lifestyle and stunning natural beauty. The Icarians have a life expectancy of 81 years, and they experience low levels of heart disease, dementia, and cancer. Icarians eat a Mediterranean diet rich in fresh vegetables, fruits, olive oil, and local specialties such as wild greens and herbs. They also consume moderate amounts of wine and honey. This diet is high in antioxidants and healthy fats, which contribute to their longevity and overall health. Icaria is also known for its laid-back culture, which may help reduce stress and promote relaxation. The islanders prioritize spending time with family and friends, which contributes to their strong social support system. Our third blue zone is Sardinia, Italy. Sardinia is an Italian island known for its rugged mountains and beautiful coastline. It has the highest life expectancy for men in the world, with many men living past 100. Sardinian men eat a Mediterranean diet similar to the Icaria, but with a particular emphasis on goat's milk and local cheeses. They also consume moderate amounts of wine. This diet is rich in calcium and vitamin D, which may contribute to their longevity and bone health. Sardinian men also tend to have strong social bonds, particularly with other men, which may help them cope with stress and live longer. Another fascinating blue zone is the Nicoya Peninsula in Costa Rica. This region is home to the largest group of Costa Rican centenarians. Life expectancy here is 79 years, and residents have low rates of heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. People in the Nicoya Peninsula eat a traditional Costa Rican diet that emphasizes beans, corn, rice, squash, and tropical fruits. They also consume moderate amounts of alcohol and tobacco. The Nicoyan diet is high in fiber and antioxidants, which may help protect against chronic diseases. Furthermore, the close-knit communities in the Nicoya Peninsula provide a strong sense of belonging and support, which is believed to contribute to their longevity. The residents of the Nicoya Peninsula also have a strong sense of purpose in life, which helps them stay motivated and active as they age. Finally, let's discuss Loma Linda, California. Loma Linda is a small town in California with a population of about 10,000 people. It is home to the largest group of Seventh-day Adventist Christians in the United States. Residents of Loma Linda have a life expectancy of 86 years and experience low rates of heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Seventh-day Adventists follow a strict vegetarian diet and abstain from alcohol, caffeine, tobacco, and premarital sex. This lifestyle helps them maintain a healthy body weight and reduces their risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, members of the Loma Linda community are deeply involved in their church and regularly participate in religious services and activities. This strong sense of faith and community provides them with emotional support and a sense of purpose. Key cultural and lifestyle commonalities. Now that we've explored each blue zone, let's look at the common threads that run through these areas. Diet and nutrition play a crucial role in the health and longevity of these populations. People in blue zones typically eat a plant-based diet consisting of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. They limit their intake of processed foods, refined sugars, and saturated fats. Moreover, they generally avoid red meat and consume poultry and fish in moderation. The blue zone diet is characterized by a low-calorie intake, especially after age 60, which is associated with reduced risks of chronic diseases and increased longevity. Furthermore, these communities emphasize local and seasonal foods, ensuring freshness and nutritional value. They also practice mindful eating, savoring each meal and appreciating the food they consume. Physical activity is another critical factor contributing to the exceptional health of these populations. People in blue zones engage in regular physical activity as an integral part of their daily lives. They incorporate movement into their daily routines through gardening, housework, or simply walking. Unlike people in Western countries, they don't rely on gyms or structured exercise programs. This approach to physical activity is sustainable and helps maintain muscle strength, flexibility, and cardiovascular health as they age. Social and emotional well-being is also a key element of the blue zone lifestyle. Strong social connections and a sense of belonging are essential aspects of their cultures. These tight-knit communities provide emotional support, encouragement, and a sense of purpose. The presence of extended family members or close friends who care about their well-being contributes significantly to their health and longevity. Moreover, people in blue zones find joy in life and maintain a positive outlook. They laugh often, celebrate life's pleasures, and find humor in challenging situations. This optimistic attitude helps them cope with stress, which is a significant contributor to chronic diseases. In conclusion, the world's healthiest cultures have achieved remarkable feats in terms of longevity and chronic disease prevention. By embracing a plant-based diet, staying physically active, cultivating strong social connections, and finding joy in life, these populations have unlocked the secrets to living healthier lives for longer. While genetics play a role, the impact of lifestyle factors is undeniable. Okinawa, Japan, Ikaria, Greece, Ogliastra, Sardinia, Italy, the Nicoya Peninsula in Costa Rica, and Loma Linda, California stand out as shining examples of how embracing a holistic approach to life can lead to exceptional health outcomes. Their secrets lie in their daily habits, cultural values, and the strong sense of community they've nurtured over generations. As we continue to explore ways to improve our own health and well-being, it's essential to learn from these blue zone cultures. By incorporating their wisdom into our own lives, we can strive to live longer, happier, and healthier lives ourselves. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.